Have you ever tried to upload a picture of your refrigerator and ask ChatGPT, what can I cook with these ingredients? Today's GPT models will be able to provide recipes with multiple cuisines. However, if you go back 8 months or a year in the past and tried this with GPT 3.5 or GPT 4 original LLM model, then they would fail because GPT 3.5 or GPT 4 only understand one type of input. Most traditional AI systems used to understand only one type of input, either text or image, but not both together. That is why multimodal AI models comes in. It's the next big step, enabling AI to process and reason across text, image, audio, and even video together. Hello everyone. Welcome back to today's episode. In this session, we are diving into multimodal AI models. If you ever wondered how generative AI can write a short story from an uploaded image or analyze your uploaded documents and summarize them in a crisp and effective format, or if you want to work with multiple input modes with your LLM model, then this video is for you. In less than 10 minutes, you are going to learn the required knowledge about multimodal AI models such that you won't be left out in any AI related discussions or debates. So what exactly is multimodal AI? It's a type of AI system designed to work with multiple input modes, not just text but also images, audios and videos. Think of it as an AI that can read, see and listen all at the same time. Instead of you just typing a prompt, you could show it a photo, ask a question in your own voice, or even upload a video. And it could reply with both text and images. That's the power of multimodality. Now you must be asking, why do we need multimodal AI? Because real life is multimodal. Humans don't just rely on words. We use vision, speech, hearing and context together. Traditional AIs that only handle one modality miss a huge part of the context. For example, a doctor's note without the X-ray image don't tell the full story. But together they provide a complete diagnosis. That's exactly what multimodal AI solves. Now let's understand how multimodal AI works. A multimodal AI architecture typically consists of an input module, fusion module, and output module. The input module consists of unimodal neural networks that receive and process different types of data separately. The first stage is input stage to collect data. It can capture your typed questions, which is text, uploaded photo, which is image, your voice command, and a short video clip you have recorded. The AI model can have all this modality or a combination. The next stage is processing stage. Under this stage, the model may use different techniques such as natural language processing or computer vision depending on the specific modality. For example, when processing text data, the input module may use techniques such as tokenization, stemming, and part of speech tagging to extract meaningful information from the text. After extraction, the fusion module comes into the scene to integrate information from multiple modalities such as text, image, audio, and video. An example of multimodal is Image Bind by Meta. It is capable of binding data from 6 modalities at once without the need for explicit supervision. Here is a graphics that I have taken from the Image Bind product page, which is processing 6 modalities, that is image, video, audio, text depth, thermal and interior measurement units or IMUs. Last but not least, the output module. Output module takes the fused information as input and generates a final output or prediction in the form that is requested by the user. Now let's look at some real world use cases. To start with e-commerce. You take a photo of a shoe and type Find this in blue. The AI will match both the image and the text. Next use case could be healthcare, where a doctor can combine medical scans with patient's note to make better diagnosis. The other use case could be robotics. Nowadays, humanoid robots are very common and very popular. Multiple organizations they are investing on the humanoid robots that can see the environment and follow spoken instructions. Next, it can be used for accessibility. It can also help visually impaired users by describing text or objects in image. And you can also use for creativity. That means the tools that generate illustrated stories from your text plus recorded narrations. Another one big use case is autonomous vehicle or the self-driving car. It is using multimodal models to process the environment, pedestrian signals, and the car can drive itself without any human intervention. These are not just futuristic ideas, they are happening right now. Now let's talk about the latest trends in multimodal AI and why they matter. First, AI agents are becoming more human-like. Instead of just answering text, they can now see images, understand voice, and combine it all to act intelligently. E-commerce industries are leaning towards intelligent AI assistant powered by multimodal models, where a customer can upload a photo of a dress and ask with voice, find this dress in red, which was quite impossible without multimodal AI model. And with the invent of multimodal models, text-based searches or search filters are going to be legacy shortly. Second, content creation. Multimodal AI can now design 3D objects, generate realistic video clips, or even create background musics. This is transforming industries like gaming, entertainment, and marketing and taking them to the next level. By combining vision, sound, and even touch data, multimodal AI makes virtual worlds more interactive and realistic. So your virtual reality headset or augmented reality does not just show visuals but can respond to your gestures and voice. If you have recently interacted with customer service IVRs and wanted to talk with a human agent but were frustrated as the voice bot or the IVR was not intelligent enough to understand your need, then slowly those bots will be in the history, because new customer service systems are coming where an AI agent can understand your need from your tone or facial expressions or from your breathing pattern. Using multimodal AI models, these customer service bots can detect your mood, your ask before you even utter your requirements. And finally, specialized and localized AI. Instead of sending all your data to the cloud, lighter models are being designed to run directly on your phone or laptop. That means faster, cheaper, and more private multimodal AIs for you. So overall, the trend is clear. Multimodal AI is becoming more human-like, more creative, and more immersive, more useful in real industries, more powerful and private with on-device AIs. So to wrap up, multimodal AI solves the limits of a single modal AI. It combines text, images, audio, and video for deeper intelligence, and it's already shaping healthcare, education, accessibility, and media industry. Multimodal AI is the future of human AI interaction. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more microlearning courses like this. We regularly update short but effective videos on current topics, which will give you crisp and effective learning while you are on the go or scrolling through social media. Got any questions or feedback? Feel free to drop them as comments to this video. We love hearing from you. Thanks for your time. See you in the next module.